Using Flipgrid is incredibly easy. All you have to do is click the link and it'll bring you to the starting page. Scroll down and there's a big green plus. Click that to start recording your video. It's likely to ask you if it can use your microphone and use your camera. Make sure you hit allow. And then it should pop up and allow you to start recording. When you're done, hit save. I'm now recording a video of myself recording a video. When you're done, hit next. Recording a video of myself recording a video. I'm now recording a video. Hit next. Take a selfie so you can know who you are, so we know who you are. It's a terrible selfie. You should do much better ones. And then submit your video. That's all there is to it. Hooray! You did it!